If you want to create a hyperlapse effect in After Effects, here is how you can do it. First, make sure you have your clip in the timeline. Then, right-click in the timeline, hover over New, and select Adjustment Layer. Now, go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for Warp Fisheye, and drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. After that, go to the Effects Control panel and under the Warp effect, set the amount to -0.2. Next, select your video clip and press R on your keyboard to bring up the rotation properties. Move the playhead to the start of the video, then click the stopwatch icon next to rotation to create a keyframe. Now, move the playhead to the end of the video and change the rotation value. This will create the spinning motion. You may notice some black bars appearing around the edges of the video. To fix this, go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for Motion Tile, and drag and drop it onto your video clip. In the Effects Control panel, enable Mirror Edges and set the output width and height to 200. And that's it. You can reverse the rotation direction for the next clip to create a smooth hyperlapse transition. After that, ease all the keyframes by selecting them and pressing F9 on your keyboard. Next, go to the graph editor and follow my graph. Now you can play the video to see the results. That is it. Thanks for watching.